Hello. This is going to be the first test firing of my railgun. Here's a charging unit. The red light means it's fully charged, and yeah. It's pretty small compared to my other one, but it's supposed to be. I want it to be portable. Right there is the piece of folded up aluminum that it's going to fire, and well, let's get onto it. Okay, I'm back. Alright. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, test fire 2. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Nope. Okay, so I did some research, and apparently on this small scale of railgun there are problems with welding if firing from a stop position. So what people did to prevent this was they made new ammunition. Instead of solid metal slugs, they used something non-conductive. In this case I'm using a piece of acrylic, and they put a tiny piece of they put a tiny piece of something conductive. I'm using aluminum foil, and that would vaporize, turn into plasma, and then that plasma would push out the projectile, in this case, that plastic. Alright, so let's try that. Okay, projectile is loaded with that tiny piece of aluminum foil. Hopefully that will vaporize correctly. Putting a piece of acrylic in front to stop the projectile just in case. Okay, test fire 3, 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Okay, test fire 4. Test fire 3 didn't work. Connection problem. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I changed the connection leads on the railgun because the bolts had some carbon on them from the first 2 test firings. And there's the projectile with a bit of aluminum foil, and yeah, hopefully this works. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Hey, check that out. It's outside. Dude, it worked! Sweet! Alright. Bye. Okay, this is my second project. Really fast. Using the same circuit as the railgun. This is a coil gun. It's basically just a magnet, electrical magnet, and the bank will discharge into this coil, produce a really strong magnetic field, and propel that drill bit into that box, hopefully. As for why I'm using a drill bit, a coil gun becomes more efficient as the projectile's mass is increased because it can transfer more energy that way. Okay, so everything's wired up, and 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay then.